It's a warm welcome to all of you. It's Rex here behind the microphone, not an AI generated avatar voice, etc. No. So there are definitely going to be a few ums and ahs and mistakes. So bear with me. As you can see, this is PolishUp. And at PolishUp, we have a number of products that are used mainly for polishing metal. We've got quite an extensive range of machines, an ever increasing range of machines, by the way, um, primarily aimed at polishing. So, yes, so as you can see, our machines are 550 watt, 750 watt, 1500 watt. We've got the barrel polisher as well. In fact, most of the kits here at the moment have got free shipping, so be sure to get in there and choose your machine. And there might be the odd one that doesn't, but in that case, you'll usually find that there is definitely a special price on it for you. We're trying to make it as affordable as possible in these troubling economic times. Restoration is way better sometimes than going out and buying new stuff. So you can use these machines to restore that car of yours, that bike of yours. The metal polishers. You can buy a machine if you already have a machine. You can actually go to our accessory category, and in there you will find adapters that will usually suit your machine. Half-inch M14s, M16s, 5/8 of an inch. So there's a wide range of adapters that can be used with the various polishing wheels. And you can use them on your variable speed polisher, sander type machine, or on your barrel grinder polisher, which is quite handy. Also, we have a range of compounds. So we've got the cutting compounds, the cut and shine compounds, and the finishing compounds. We also have various metal polishers, so you can create a combination suitable for your requirements. The polishing wheels, well, there are a variety of polishing wheels, and really depends on what you are wanting to polish. So we've got the stitched variety, loose leaf. We've also got treated. We have airflow. We have the metal center. We have the adapters, as you saw in the previous category, that will go with those. Tapered spittle adapters for the soft-centered wheels, some drill-mounted wheels, and so on. So there's quite a broad spectrum of kits and products, not excluding actually products for the home. So we import and distribute a range of products. Goddard's is one of them, where we actually wholesale a lot of these products across Australia. And so for silver and furniture and stone and marble, it's a fairly broad range, including jewelry. So highly effective. Let's have a look. What else do we have? I could go on and on. Yes. So ute and truck accessories, locks, handles, hinges. It is definitely good to have a look at that. We're very cost effective. So if you are looking to repair or restore your ute and the canopy locks and so on, and anchor gear and hinges and latches, electric locks, we definitely have a wide range. So, and also you can buy them individually, or you can buy them in multiples of 2 up to 10 and more, and you'll find the more you buy, the more discount you get, which is quite handy when you need to do quite a few jobs. So you can buy in bulk basically, and we'll have this all posted off to you. So in summary, coming up towards the end of the financial year, We've got some great sales going on at the moment, and we intend to keep this going until the end of this financial year. So do get stuck in while you can. If you've got a bit of cash and you've saved that up and you're looking for a decent machine to do some great polishing with, give polishup.com.au a look. Give us a call on 1-800-780-666. We are happy to offer any advice that we can, and when we can't, we can refer you, or we can find out from our suppliers what is the best way forward. So that's Rex from PolishUp. I look forward. In fact, I'm on the edge of my seat. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this cast, and we'll speak soon, I'm sure. All right. Cheers for now.